solve absolute value of 2x plus 3 is less than 5. So let's go look at our diagram. The rule says that if I have the absolute value of equation, or absolute value of u would be less than a, then we can rewrite it as a negative a is less than u is less than a. And the distance would be shorter. So let's rewrite this problem so that we have a negative 5 is less than 2x plus 3 is less than 5. You need to start on the inside and isolate until you just have x. So we're going to add 3 or subtract 3 in all 3 sections. So we have a negative 8 is less than 2x is less than 2. Now I want to divide by 2. A negative 4 is less than x is less than 1. So the value of x is going to be in between a negative 4 and 1. Let's do a different color. Notice that this problem is greater than or equal to 10. Again, let's isolate the absolute value. So it's going to be greater than, subtracting 4 on both sides would be 6. Because it's greater than, you're going to have a range of solutions. The definition says for greater than, the absolute value of u greater than a, we could separate those and say u is greater than a, or u is less than a negative a. So let's rewrite this. This is going to be greater than or equal to 6. It looks exactly like the problem without the absolute value. Now when we rewrite it again, the 2x minus 6, we're going to change the from let's see here. Let me rewrite that. I have 2x minus 1. Now we're going to change the inequality to less than or equal to, and this becomes a minus 6. Okay? Again, let me rephrase that. When you write it the first time, it's going to be exactly like the problem without the absolute value. And the second time, you're going to change the inequality from greater than to less than, and then the number would be negative. So let's solve. 2x by adding 1 to both sides. X is going to be greater than or equal to 7/2, or 2x, add 1 to both sides, and if I add 1, I get a negative 5. So x is less than or equal to a negative 5 over 2. So we would write that as a a negative 5 over 2. Well, hold on just a second. Let me. So make sure you put your smaller number on the left-hand side, and another thing you need to notice is it's greater than or equal to, so we're looking at brackets this time instead of parentheses. Okay.